Okay, I showed you the dry can sealer, but remember, for this purpose I can only fit in the jars, so for my purpose I call it the dry jar sealer. Now the first one, I use the actual machine, which I'll bring over. I use the actual vacuum machine with the end attachment here. Okay, if you can see that. Now I've taken that off from the check valve because it just pops. Now what I've got here is another idea. I've got a fridge compressor. I took this fridge compressor out of an old fridge. I had to first empty out all the oil, so if anyone has a fridge compressor, please Google it. Please find out how to empty all the oil and stuff before you ever use these. Make sure that the wiring is safe. I have got a connection on there, I should have it a bit safer, but please don't touch it if you don't know about electricity. I don't want to get in trouble, and I don't want you to get hurt neither. Now I've got this on. I don't know if you can hear, it's constantly on, but I've got the air sucking out of this already, but I've got the valve open. So I'm going to insert the jar. Again, same thing. Just done it. Just lock it slightly finger tight, and it pops up. Pop it up and down. Put it into here. Lock it up. Now if you haven't got a food sealer, this is the way you can go. Now I'm going to lock the valve. Now I don't know how long to leave this, but I kind of just guess it. I'll do it about 20 seconds, and then I'll release the air. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then I'll release the pressure. And then I undo it, and the can should be sealed. There we go. That was a blooper, but anyway, I'll leave that video as that. I won't redo it for the blooper, but that is sealed. And if you can zoom in for me, and I'll pop this. Can you see it alright? Right, I'll pop this open. There you go. That's all nice and sealed. That's just another idea, using a fridge compressor and an under sink water filter system to dry can or dry jar. Thanks for watching.